Hello, my name is Mohsen, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to install Adobe InDesign 2018 with the support for Middle Eastern languages like Persian, Arabic or Hebrew. Um, the problem is that when you install Adobe InDesign normally, you don't have access to um, right to left tools. For example, binding from right to left, there is no option here for binding um, from right to left, or typing tools, ME typing tools to write from right to left. um, there are two methods to have access to these tools after installing InDesign. I'll teach you how to install InDesign to have access to this tool. So first I'm gonna remove Adobe InDesign CC. The very first method is installing Adobe InDesign from Adobe Creative Cloud. Before installing any program, I mean even Photoshop, you need to set some settings. Here in preferences, you need to go to Creative Cloud, and here in apps you've got access to app language. Here my access is closed, I don't know why. Let me get back. Loading apps. Okay, still my access is closed, I don't know why. Let's check it again. Now, before installing any app from Creative Cloud, you need to set this setting here. If you want to have Arabic or Persian access, Persian tools for right to left writing or binding, you need to set English يدعم العربية, or if you need Hebrew support, you need to choose this option here, English I don't know what, and then try to install Adobe InDesign. But what if you've got the installation files on your hard disk? I've searched a lot. The problem is that when you double click on setup, the setup start immediately to install Adobe InDesign without any option to ask for where to install the program or in what language you wanna install the program. I searched a lot and I found out that there is a command line um, version to install the program. This way you can choose where to install the program and in what language you're gonna to install the program. So I'm gonna here start command line using CMD, run as administrator. The setup files are located in drive E and in these folders. I'm gonna copy this address and go to E drive, E colon, and then type cd space, and then right click to paste the address here. Okay, now we are in the setup folder. Next I'm gonna copy this command here. Here I don't need to install the program in a custom folder, so I delete this command. Silent means that we are gonna installing the program silently, no window will appear. And I'll change this install language command to en underline a e. AE is the abbreviation for Arabic Emirates, and if you're gonna you wanna have the Hebrew tools, you should type IL, which is the abbreviation for Israel. But here for Persian and Arabic support, I'm gonna write AE. And then when I hit the enter, starting package installation, it takes some minutes to install the program. Okay, as you can see, the program is installed. Setup exiting with return code 0. It means the program is installed successfully. Now I'm gonna run it to see if we have the options for right to left languages. As you can see here, we've got binding option. You can choose from left to right or right to left. And here in type tool, we've got ME type tool, means Middle Eastern type tool, for typing from right to left. Goodbye.